But in my knockouts, I have this song, and this is a beautiful, beautiful song. Alam ng alam, mostly ng Filipinos alam kasi kinakanta natin sa mga karaoke ito. So if you know the song, you can say, when I said I needed you, you said you would always stay. It wasn't me who changed but you, and now you're gone away. Left alone, just a so there's nothing left to feel. Pwede ko ba kayo marinig?
You don't have to say you love me, just be close and
one more.
I will understand.
Believe me, I can't ever love you, but believe me, I'll never tie you down. Believe me, oh, you don't have to say you love me, just be closer. You don't have to say, believe me, believe me.
Magandang araw po sa inyo at welcome back dito sa ating panibagong video. At mga kapolitika, narito na naman po tayo para maghatid ng sariwang mga kaganapan mula dito sa naganap na concert ni Sofronio Vasquez live in Dubai. At sa videong ito is panunuorin natin mga kapolitika ang much longer version ng kanyang concert dahil medyo pahirapan kumuha ng live or ng mga video clip dito sa naganap na concert ni Sofronio. Pero ginawa po natin yung ating best para makahanap ng mga videos at mga concert goer na kung saan is umattend nung concert ni Sofronio doon sa Dubai sa World Trade Center. Pero bago ang lahat ay huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue. At talaga nga namang napuno ng hiyawan, palakpakan at naka-proud dahil suportado ng ating mga kabayang Pinoy, and in fact hindi lang mga Pinoy, nandun rin po yung mga kaibigan nating mga Arabo nag-support rin kay Sofronio Vasquez dito sa kanyang concert sa Dubai. So grabe mga kapolitika yung promotion na ginawa ng ating mga kabayan. Talagang marami ang nag-effort at talagang yung passion at dedication nila na makatulong dito kay Sofronio sa kanyang concert, na kung saan masasabi natin na napaka-successful naman, at yung iba nga ay hindi nga mapigilan talaga na ma-overwhelm dito sa boses ni Sofronio yung kanyang concert kagabi dito sa Dubai, dahil personal na saksihan mismo nila yung kanyang performance. So tayo ay natutuwa mga kapolitika sa mga kabayan nating tumulong kay Sofronio para maging matagumpay itong isinagawang live performance niya dito sa nasabing lugar. But before yung kanyang, after ng kanyang concert dito sa Dubai, is magkakaroon na naman siya po ng Pasadena concert sa October 11 na po yung kanyang concert dito sa Civic Auditorium, at makakasama niya dito si Danny Joseph base sa kanyang announcement dito sa kanyang social media account. Let's go! Danny Joseph, Season 26 NBC The Voice finalist, has joined the list of our featured guests for the upcoming Pasadena Civic Auditorium concert, elevating the evening to new heights of excitement and entertainment. Sofronio Vasquez live in Los Angeles, Pasadena Civic Auditorium, October 11, 2025, 7 p.m. So yun ang official announcement ni Sofronio dito, na makasama niya yung Season 26 The Voice na semi-finalist. At mga kapolitika, ngayon ay panunorin po natin yung ibang mga videos na kung saan ay kuha ng ating mga kabayan nga doon sa concert ni Sofronio. Kinumpile ko lang po mga kapolitika kasi putol-putol po. So kayo na po ang bahalang magtiyaga, kasi wala naman po tayong official na videographer doon sa Dubai. So kinuha lamang po natin yung mga videos na kung saan ay live kuha ng ating mga kabayan dito sa WTC.
Good evening, Dubai! Are you guys ready? Teka, kailangan ko ng energy. One more time. Good evening, Dubai! Thank you so much. You know, I am just very excited to just perform on this beautiful stage, because I know that I will be going to perform in front of these beautiful people. Ano sasabihin ko talaga, Dubai is one of the nicest audience that I have. Palakpakan niyo yung sarili niyo. At doon pa lang ako sa likod, I can hear everyone. So, I want you to enjoy this night. This is not a celebration of my music, but this is a celebration of everyone who came tonight. And so I want you to feel good. And for my next song, I want you to feel good with this song. Birds flying high, you know how I feel. Sun the sky. You know how I feel. Breeze are written on by. You know how I feel. Well, it's a new dawn. It's a new day. It's a new life for me. Yeah, you know how I feel. Blossom on the trail. You know how I feel. It's a new dawn. It's a new day. It's a new life for me. And dragonfly on the sun, you know, don't you know? Butterflies are having fun, you know what I mean. Sleeping bees when day's done, that's what I mean. It's a world, it's a new world, and a whole world. Wow!
One more! More!
Guys, I'm just excited to perform on stage. Of course, I'm with my band, Heartbeats. You get to know more each of them later. But to give you a little story, you know, I happen to be someone who accidentally stopped or had a layover in Dubai. I think it was 2021. And that time, it was COVID, but it was a little bit open. And so World Expo happened. I don't know if it's like the right time. I have my cousin here who's watching. So nagpunta po kami sa World Expo. And we were able to watch Alicia Keys on stage. Beating. After 4 years or 5 years, man, I am here. And if you know Him by heart, surrender mo lahat sa Kanya, dadalhin at dadalhin ka niya sa mga sa Kanya. And so, to cut the long story short, I happened to be in America, and I joined the show. I think, alam niyo naman lahat.
Yes!
Alam niyo ba? Tinatawag na anong AGT? Mali. Hindi. Sumali ako sa The Voice. And so I was able to work with the one and only Michael Bublé. Wala. But in my house, I have this song. And this is a beautiful, beautiful song. Alam ng alam, mostly ng Filipinos, alam kasi kinakanta natin sa mga karaoke ito. Kasi if you know the song, you can stay silent. You would understand. It wasn't who changed but you, and now you're gone away. Left alone with just a memory. Life seems dead and sorry. It's loneliness, no, there's nothing left to be.
You don't have to say you love me.
One more.
You don't have to say you love me.
Thank you. Believe me, I can't ever love you. I'll never tie you down. Believe me, you don't have to say you love me. Just be closer. You don't have to say. Alam mo, nakakatawa. Nung nag-chorus na or nagsimula yung kanta, nagpahalata talaga kayong kaedad na yung song. Akala mo naman yung alam mo eh, palagi. Ay nako. Thank you so much, you know. Hindi ko man kayo nakikita personally, eye to eye. But just know, mamaya, I will need your energy. Sino mga kumakanta dito? Yan tayo. Malalaman ko mamaya kasi kung marunong kumanta. But now, you guys want more?
Yes!
Paano yan? Next song tayo. This is an old classic melody. smoking time of cigarette. 10,000 stars went on your ears at night. It's like if you have your dreams, and it makes me fly. Isn't it right? Don't you feel? Look to the world, you know really good things sometimes.
celebration of talent, effort, and heart in music. So our producers really arranged a good, excitement for our Dubai people to join the celebration.